Restarting or power cycling your AT&T BGW320 router is a simple yet effective first step in troubleshooting common connectivity issues like slow speeds or intermittent disconnections. It refreshes the device's memory and connections without erasing your settings. First, locate the power cord on the back of the router. Unplug it from the power outlet. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. This allows the capacitors to fully discharge. Plug the power cord back in and wait for the router to reboot. This usually takes 2 to 5 minutes, indicated by solid lights on the front panel. Once it's back online, reconnect your devices. Power cycling is generally safe and resolves most temporary glitches. According to AT&T's data, restarts can resolve 65% of common issues. A factory reset restores your BGW320 to its original state, wiping custom configurations, Wi-Fi passwords, and network settings. Use this as a last resort for persistent issues like software corruption or forgotten admin credentials. There are 3 ways to perform a factory reset. First, using the reset button. Locate the small red reset button on the back. Use a paperclip to press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the power light flashes, then release. The device will reset and reboot. Second, using the web interface. Log into the router's admin panel, usually at 192.168.1254 or 192.168.12.1. Navigate to Settings, System, Reset to Factory Defaults, and confirm. Third, via the AT&T Smart Home Manager app. Use the app for a guided reset, which may back up some settings before wiping the device. Note, always avoid resets during firmware updates to prevent bricking the device. After a reset, you'll need to reconfigure your network settings. According to a 2025 Statista survey, 15% of users perform factory resets annually, often due to ISP-related problems.